The J-20 fighter jet, also known as the Mighty Dragon, continues to be a point of pride and a major force in China's Air Force. It has shown significant advancements in its technology and combat capabilities, placing it as one of the most advanced fighters in the world. Determining whether the J-20 can defeat the F-22 or F-35 is not an easy task, as success in aerial combat is highly dependent on context and specific scenarios. The F-22 excels in terms of maneuverability and stealth capabilities, making it a very formidable air fighter. The F-35 offers operational flexibility and strong network-centric capabilities, making it effective in a wide range of modern missions. The J-20, with its technological advancements and enhanced capabilities, is a significant threat and should not be underestimated. However, the true effectiveness of the J-20 against the F-22 and F-35 will depend on a variety of factors, including the tactics employed, the combat situation, and integration with other combat systems, operational capabilities, and strategy. The J-20 fighter jet is designed with advanced stealth capabilities, making it difficult to detect by enemy radars. Its advanced aerodynamic design and the radar-absorbing materials used in its construction give it a tactical advantage in combat operations. In addition, the J-20 is equipped with advanced avionics and modern weapon systems capable of supporting a wide range of combat missions, from air superiority to precision ground attack. Technological innovation and the future. The J-20's technological advancements do not stop at engines and production. By 2024, China continues to invest in the development of future combat technologies, including the integration of directed energy weapons such as lasers and the development of swarm drones that can work alongside manned fighter jets. These innovations aim to enhance the J-20's combat capabilities in an increasingly complex range of modern combat scenarios. In addition, China is also developing new variants of the J-20, including a two-seat version designed for information and electronic warfare missions. These variants are expected to provide greater operational flexibility and the ability to carry out more diverse missions. J-20 fighter jet armament. By 2024, China's J-20 fighter jet is equipped with a highly advanced armament designed to provide superior combat capability in a variety of scenarios. The primary armament on the J-20 includes air-to-air missiles and air-to-ground missiles. The J-20 is equipped with an internal cannon, which is likely to be a 23mm or 30mm revolver type. This cannon is useful for close combat and provides a weapon option that does not rely on the missile guidance system. Future weapons technology. By 2024, China is also exploring the development of directed energy weapons, such as lasers, for integration into the J-20. These weapons are expected to provide additional capabilities to destroy incoming missiles and enemy aircraft without the use of conventional ammunition. Electronic and avionics systems. The J-20 is equipped with an advanced avionics system that includes an ESA radar, which provides better target detection and tracking capabilities. In addition, the J-20 has an electronic warfare system that can disrupt and deceive enemy radars, giving it an edge in modern air combat. Global challenges and competition. While the J-20 has shown much progress, it also faces challenges in achieving technical and operational perfection. Competition with other fifth-generation fighter jets, such as the F-22 and F-35, is driving China to continuously update and improve the J-20's capabilities. In addition, geopolitical pressures and military competition in the Asia-Pacific region make the development and operationalization of the J-20 a top priority for the Chinese Air Force. In the face of these challenges, China is committed to continuously developing advanced combat technologies and improving its military capabilities. Investments in research and development, intensive pilot training, and increased production capacity are part of a comprehensive strategy to ensure the J-20 remains a dominant force in the sky. Conclusion. By 2024, China's J-20 fighter jet will have reached an important milestone in its technological development and operational capacity. With its advanced WS-15 engine, efficient mass production, and numerous technological innovations, the J-20 stands as a symbol of China's military progress and ambitions in the 21st century. Through continuous investment and a comprehensive strategy, the J-20 is ready to face the challenges of the modern battlefield and strengthen China's position as a respected global military power.